it's your girl Leslie Cheese, and I am back at you again with another video. And today I am doing another naturalized hair video where I'm just showing you guys what I did to my hair in preparation for Impress Yourself. It's a very formal event, and it's an event that's thrown every year by a Bevy nonprofit organization. So if you want to see how I got this look, just the hair, okay? Because this makeup was hit or miss, and I fucking hit, okay? But anyways, if you want to see how I got this hair, just stay tuned.
That's how I ask for you. Pull up in my new Tahoe, bought a brick from Gustavo, looking out for the Paco. Feel the money you made to keep all the crib in Morocco.
Y'all, please excuse me. I am super hungover. I was like, should I put my contact clear? But I don't feel like doing that.
If you need to see something,
I can see you right here. Again, y'all, please forgive me throughout this video. Funny faces, all that. I was still a little, lit, but I said I had to do this video for y'all. So that's what I am doing, okay? That is exactly what I'm doing here today. Now, as you can see from my hair, super dirty, super dirty. And like this hairstyle kind of came to me maybe the day before this event, and I was just like, I do not have time to wash my hair. Like, what can I do that's like gala inspired? And I remember seeing one of my mentors, Zariah, aka Dosa Fab. She did a similar look, or she took pictures in a similar look, and I was like, this would be perfect. I just need to find a little cute little ponytail or whatever, what have you, to freaking get it together. So that's what I did. I went to not the dollar store. I went to the beauty store, your local beauty store, and I got this ponytail. You'll later see it in the video exactly what the ponytail is. But you can get like any similar ponytail from your beauty store. But what I decided to do was just slick my hair down, and because I was a little lit, I also forgot to show y'all what products I'm using. So just pay attention to the video, as well as I'm gonna link them in the description, the products I use. I really only used 2 products, which was Eco Styler Gel and Got2b Gel. And then I just kind of wet my hair. But throughout the process, you can see me trying to get this, get the excess buildup out of my hair by just applying water and reactivating some of that already caked up, ate up gel that I already had in my hair from the week. But I'm just reactivating that by adding water, and then I just essentially add more gel as I see my hair needing to be laid down. So I decided to go for a split part, middle part, because I feel like that creates more of like, gala type and more gala type look, So that's what I decided to do. And I need to do a video on how I really slick down my hair, but this is really it. But this is just on dirty hair. And I also was asked to do like a how I lay my edges video. So for the sake of this video, I'm only showing you guys how I slick my hair down and how I got this ponytail to look super natural. So I just let you guys watch, as I go through it, and chime back in as we continue on. And so here, as you can see, I completely slick my hair down, but I add one really, soft, thin layer of Got2b. And the reason I do that is because Got2b tends to flake. I wouldn't say flake, but flake. Sometimes you get like little spots of white flakes throughout your hair. So I already had a whole bunch in my hair, so I just did one quick layer over my hair, and that helps to make my hair hard and like not stand up throughout the night. So that's why I did that, and then I essentially just put my hair in a ponytail, wrap that bad boy in a bun before I apply the synthetic pony. Now y'all know I couldn't go anywhere without my little curly tendrils, you know what I'm saying? My little side earpiece tender, you know, a little popping. Y'all, I had to cut my hair, right? Because I freaking damaged those my sideburns pretty much, so I had to cut both ends, and as you can see, they're like super shorter than the rest of my hair. But regardless, y'all, I put my hair in this bun, and then after I get it in this bun, I attempt to lay my baby hairs. Let me tell you, I literally took literally putting my hair in this ponytail probably took me a little less than 10 minutes, but laying them edges, y'all, getting the things laid to the God, honey, took me like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I had to continuously go over it because I wanted the things to look like, Born.com, okay? So that's why I had to do it off camera, but I will do an edges video for y'all. I added it to my list of things to do. So here is a synthetic ponytail that I bought from the beauty store. The brand is Featrice, and the type is a Bohemian Fro. It's a pretty long ponytail, and it also can double as pretty much like a hair piece in the back of your hair. But for this video, I used it as a mahanga ponytail. Okay, that mahanga ponytail, thick and wool. Okay, but I used it as a ponytail, and y'all, it took me like 2 attempts to get this in because I had to strategically hold my hair, like hold the top where I pinned the first comb, as well as hold the bottom and grab the drawstring. And the drawstring, I hadn't completely unraveled it the first time, so I had to like redo and take it off and put it back on. But for the sake of this video, I only showed you as if I took one attempt in putting this drawstring ponytail on, but really it was 2. Okay, but we're gonna pull that bad boy tight to ensure this bad boy does not fall off. And then we'll take the clasp and pretty much clasp it together. So after pretty much wrapping this string around and pinning it in, I take my comb and I just kind of push the string in. The only reason I did that is because I was traveling. I did not have any bobby pins with me. Otherwise, I would have took some bobby pins and secured it a second time with the bobby pins, but I didn't have any, y'all, so I had to improvise. But what really I feel like is what makes this ponytail look a little bit more natural is the fact that you take that extra piece, or 2 or 3, which is what I did. Take little pieces of the ponytail and wrap it around the base of the pony. And I did that on both sides so that, I had a thick layer of hair going around the ponytail. And then, of course, I had to take a clip and just clip it under because I had a clip but didn't have bobby pin. After which point, I take this pick and I fluff. And you just fluff and you fluff until you get your desired fluff, your desired volume. And that is exactly what I did. And after that, what I do recommend is if you feel like it looks, a little dry, take a little bit of oil, pop that bad boy on there, and you be good to go, honey.
That's so tight. That's my type. That's my type.
That was lit. Alright, Naturalistas, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want information on this ponytail, it'll be in the description, as well as if you like these videos, if you want more Naturalist hair videos, make sure you thumbs up this video. Comment below how you think my do came out, and if you want to do this do yourself. Okay, because this was so last minute, y'all. I was struggling to figure out how I was going to do my hair for this event, and honestly, I didn't like it at first, but after I did my makeup and everything, it all came together. So anyway, I will see you guys on my next upload. I love you guys. It is your girl, Liz Latrice, and remember to always protect your peace. Thank you, girl.
Hair ain't none with the end. Do it on the mouth with it. Bring it up, big butt.
Wait.
Bitches big butt.
You trying to look at her? I'm like,
an 8 figure, that's
say hi